8 common Excel errors and how to fix them. The first error we'll cover looks like a series of pound and hashtag signs, and this occurs when the number is either too small or too large to be displayed. To fix it, just increase the width of your column until the number appears and the error goes away. To figure out what went wrong, click on the error and look into the formula. To figure out what went wrong, click on the error and see what pops up in the formula bar. In this case, we've misspelled average to averg, and that is what has caused the error. Once we fix the spelling, the error is resolved and we get our average. Our next error is hashtag null. It occurs when you forget to separate two cells referenced in a formula. When we click on hashtag null, we see we've forgotten to put the addition sign between cells B4 and B5, which caused the error. By adding the addition sign, we fix our problem. Number 3 is hashtag num. This means the number that you have input is either too big or too small. Now this is different than the first error, because in the first error, the number can be displayed, the column is just not wide enough. In this case, the number is altogether just too large to be calculated. In this case, 2 to the power of 87,654. Our next error is hashtag NA. It means no value available. This occurs when you apply a function to a cell, but there is no value listed. In this case, I'm using the VLOOKUP function, and the cell I want to look up is A20. The issue is there is no value in A20, so VLOOKUP cannot perform the function. When I change the lookup cell to A8, where there is a number, the function can be performed and the error resolves itself. The fifth error we're going to cover is hashtag div/0. This means you're trying to divide a number by 0, which is impossible. Once you change the denominator of your fraction to any number but 0, the error resolves itself. Error number 6 occurs when you reference a cell that does not exist. In our original formula, we referenced cell B3. But when row 3 is deleted, we get the error hashtag ref. This is because the B3 referred to in the formula is not the current B3. That B3 no longer exists. Therefore, because the cell you're referencing does not exist, you get this error. The final error is hashtag value, and this means that there is something wrong with the cells that you are referencing. In this case, I'm referencing 3 cells. I'm trying to add them up, but one of the cells has words inside of it in addition to letters, so Excel doesn't know what to do with that, and it returns the error hashtag value. Once I fix the issue with the reference cell, the error goes away. And those are 8 common Excel errors and how to fix them. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe.